Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 7 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a color swatch or paint sample. And I just kind of made my own. Got a little bit of purples and pinks. And so I just did that on my own. A quote, and I've got this: God whispers to us in our pleasures, speaks in our conscience, but shouts in our pain. It is his megaphone to rouse a deaf world. And that's by C.S. Lewis. Something noisy. I'm going with birds. Birds are noisy, but not necessarily in a bad way, but they are noisy. Something that's dark, and I've got the dark side of the moon. A musical instrument, and I've got him playing the violin. And the bonus is lines, and I already had lines on my paper, but I saw this little cute little girl from a Collage Soup, and so I decided to cut her out. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. So let's see how we want to lay this out. I've been kind of playing with it. I do think I want to round the corners on this, so. Well, it's not a whole lot going on with me. Just busy, can't seem to, I feel like I'm always spinning my tires. So I'll put that there. Spinning my tires, getting nowhere. Now, y'all remind me where I put that pen, because I seem to lose it all the time. Okay. I'm gonna put that there. And move it over just a tad. Kind of let them touch a little bit. And I'll put that there. And I've been still reading the Tess Garrison book, and I really like it. It's really good. But I can't tell you what the name of it is. Terrible about that. Something about the East Coast. I'll have it up in the top so that you'll know. But it's really good. It's a thriller. I like thrillers. I like lots of different things. Okay. I don't want that. Maybe move it to this side. Okay, I like that. I think I got this out of my Sunday school book. Okay. Probably should have picked a lighter bird. Let's see. Yes, just something to bring a little color into it. Oh. He stepped on my... Oh no. I'm sorry. Normally I don't mind him being up here, but I had my paints open and he stepped across. Do that. Just something to add a little color to it. And now our bird can be flying across. And she can stand there. And this came from Collage Soup as well. Okay. Thank you for reminding me where this is. Okay, we've got a color swatch or paint sample. I have got my quote, something noisy, something that's dark, musical instrument, and the bonus are the lines. And let's see here. I want to just kind of I don't know why he's dark already, but I just feel like I need something. And my water pen. And I believe I do want to add that's not working. I'm not real happy with these Master Touch pens. They just don't get it. They don't do the job that they need to do. Let's see. I'll just use a regular pen. Let's see if that'll work. Works better than the Master's Touch. Sorry, Hobby Lobby, but y'all need to do better than that. And we can get this down. And of course, my splatters. That's what Boo knocked down. He knocked down my water bottle. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP7 to see what everyone else has made. I love you. Have a wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.